Welcome to Focus on Health. I'm Brenda Teal. Have you ever wondered what could possibly help you lessen or get rid of an existing scar? If you have had a surgery, acne, a burn, or some other event in your life that has left you with a scar, there is hope. Joining us today to share with us this incredible advancement in scar treatment is Roland Hoffman, CEO of InviCible Scars. Welcome.
Thank you.
Listen, I was amazed when I was reading about this and reading some of the reviews. I didn't just go to your website. I went to look and see what some other folks said about the product.
Very good.
Tell me, how effective is this, and how did you stumble across it?
Myself, I met my partner, Dr. Chrysopoulos, who is a nationally recognized reconstructive surgeon. And he invented the cream a few years ago. He works on reconstructing breasts for women who have had a mastectomy by harvesting fatty tissue from different parts of the body and rebuilding their own breasts. So he leaves a lot of scars. As a plastic surgeon, he doesn't want that, obviously. So he did research, came up short. Nothing on the market worked to satisfy his very high standards. So he created the cream, had a few false starts. When we met about 2 or 3 years ago, we decided to do this together, put together a really wonderful team, a team of chemists and PhDs to create the cream, and now here we are marketing it.
So why does this work and other products don't?
It works because the ingredients that it has as much as the ingredients that it avoids. So it has silicone, vitamin C, and a natural compound of a number of things that are good for scars. And it avoids fragrances, it avoids parabens and other preservatives. It avoids a host of things that are questionable and might actually damage the tissue that the scar is trying to form.
All right. Now let's hear from the doctor behind this incredible treatment.
InviCible Scars is an effective, advanced scar treatment that helps fade surgical scars, acne scars, stretch marks, and also decreases pigmentation like brown spots and H spots.
Now, can anyone use this product?
Absolutely. It's safe for all skin types, all ages. If you've had surgery, if you've had, you mentioned earlier, acne, burns, anything like that, you can use it. I use it on my 2-year-old son, so it's perfectly safe for children. He had a big gash under his chin one day, and after 2 weeks of using it, the scar is essentially gone. You don't see it.
Okay, I gave you a hard time this morning when you walked in the door because you had a little scratch or a cut on your lip.
Yes.
And I said, so, did you use the product on your lip?
And I said, yes, I'm also 65 years old.
You use it everywhere.
No, absolutely. When I shave, I tend to have problems with ingrown hair. And after we invented the cream, I've been using it essentially as an aftershave. And all those bumps that I used to have for weeks might last a day or two.
Now, do you have to jump right? What if you have an old scar? Is it still going to be as effective?
We didn't think it was going to be, but then our customers were telling us that it absolutely is. The science behind scars is that after 2 years, it's done healing. If you have a scar that is raised or has some texture issues, or if you have a scar that has got color issues like hyperpigmentation, our customers have been using it on scars 13, 14, 15 years old.
Wow.
The difference is it takes longer to treat a scar that is older. So it's really in your best interest to start treating it as soon as the scabbing is off, because then you might be done after 2 or 3 months as opposed to having to use it for a year or so.
Well, I was reading about a woman who had an indentation in her skin from a scar, and it worked effectively for her.
Absolutely.
Amazing.
The ingredients help to regulate the collagen production. So if it's not enough, it'll increase it. If it's too much, it'll slow it down. So absolutely, any type of scar it'll work with.
All right, someone who's interested in this, who's saying, yeah, I need this right now. Where can they purchase it?
We sell it online at our own website, and you can also buy it through plastic surgeon offices. If your plastic surgeon doesn't have it, just refer them to us, and we'll make sure that you can sell it.
You ask them, why not? Why don't you have it? All right, Roland.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Listen, if you'd like to know more information about this amazing product that's given many people a new lease on life in just 2 to 3 weeks, or if you have a raised or indented scar from surgery, acne, a burn, or other incident, InviCible Scars can help permanently complete the healing cycle no matter how old your scar may be. InviCible Scars also evens out skin tone from brown spots by helping speed up the skin renewal process. Erase your unwanted scars today. Call 1-866-967-2613 or just visit the InviCibleScars.com website and receive free shipping with your first order by entering the referral code on the screen. InviCible Scars.